Hello, today is a gentle flow of twist, side stretches, reach movement to open your spine, loosen your body, and wake up your core. So let's begin on an inhale, maybe bringing your arms up a little bit. So you should read the disclaimer and only move as it's comfortable for you. I hope you like cats. She's in most of my videos. This is Paka. So nice little inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Continue just like that unless your arms are able to go up without pain. On your inhale, exhale, slow, slow, slow. Pretend you're in water. You can't just like bring your arms down. Did you find a toy there we forgot to remove? Inhale, up, 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 up. Slow, slow. Maybe your elbows are down. That's all good. It's your body. Exhale, slow, slow. And when you go elbow about halfway, make sure, take a little reminder, are my shoulders down? So inhale, up, 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 up. Oh, exhale halfway and our shoulder. Bring that down a little bit. Exhale. One last time. Inhale up. This time exhale to the side. Inhale back up. Exhale your arm down. Now I'm just gonna switch my feet. I'm sitting on a blanket for more comfort. You don't need to have one, but that's totally up to you. Inhale up, exhale to the side. Make sure it doesn't hurt here. Inhale back up, exhale down. Now you can have both arms up or have one just for a little extra support. So inhale up, exhale down. The upper shoulder, whoops, that was like tapping my microphone. The upper shoulders opens. Inhale up. Exhale down. Just keep breathing. If like the movement takes a little longer, don't hold your breath there. Just keep breathing. It's okay. Inhale up. Exhale down. Huh? Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Remember, make sure your shoulders are down here. Oh, to the side. Other side, we're gonna float this now. So maybe you're here. That's totally cool. Wherever it's good for you, we're gonna open our finger big. Creepy fingers, creepy fingers, creepy fingers. Creepy fingers and little wrist motion and down. Inhale up. The gaze follow the hand for a nice little stretch on the neck, but we don't want to go very far and we want to go slow. So don't go as far as you can because you'll just hurt yourself. And once you're about center, stay there and this way. And this way. And little circle, not big, just small. Other side. We were waiting for you. You were taking a nap? Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Nice little inhale. And let's turn our hip a little bit to the side, towards the leg. Come back. Other side. So little mini twists here. Very slow. Make sure nothing hurts. You're way under your total range of motion. We don't want to go as far as you can. It's very small. Next time you get to one side, stay there. Then add your shoulders and then maybe your neck wants to turn a little bit in that order. Maybe holding the ground, the back of your leg if you want. Maybe you're right here and that's good for you and that's cool. You don't want to go further than you can and hurt yourself. Just breathe normal here, of course. Let's come back to center. Just take a breath here. We are just turning the hips towards that leg. That's it. Just turn them just a little bit. You're still looking at me. Looking for the cat, see if she's gonna come. Hi, you coming? Coming say hi, Paka. Oh, she's not trained like my black one on my other videos, Yogito. Inhale up, exhale. Hips to the side. Let's add the shoulder, the head. And just stay there a little bit. Anything that's not feeling right, just come back a little bit towards the center or just skip. I don't do anything that don't feel good. We're gonna add this in a mindful motion. So we're gonna just continue moving, but paying attention to every little bit. Like if you could, instead of a movie, this would be a bunch of photos. Click, 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 click. So move slow as if you're cranking one little tooth at a time here. Yeah, just slow. Remember, neck comes last. Hips, shoulders, neck. Loosen that up. Oh my, I don't know about your legs, but mine are like, so put your legs where it's comfortable for you. I'm gonna put mine straight. As long as your back is straight, you can do that. You can put your blanket under your knees if you want for more comfort. And I think I'm gonna do that. Just fold my blanket. Again, you don't need a blanket, but it's nice to have. Oh, here we are. So inhale up. Exhale. We're just gonna rotate here. Just rotate the hips. Making big circle. Maybe your hands on your hips. Your arms are tired. Mine get tired very quick. And that means I need to do my little free weight. Let's reverse this. I do have a couple chair yoga videos with the hand weights too. You can find that on the playlist. And reverse, nice little hip circle. Maybe one bum lifts at one point, don't worry about that. Oh, let's go on our back. Do you need a pillow? You can, there's your little blankie here. Oh, let's get down. Oh, huh? Nice. Little pillow and what I like to do, the first thing I do when I lay down like that is I take my fingers and I try to bring them a little closer to my feet. See what's happening? Your shoulders are getting out of your ears. And exhale them down. It should be make more room for your neck. And then I bring my chin a little bit towards my chest. You don't want your head like that. So bring it a little towards your chest here. Make sure you can turn your head easily. Very nice, gentle. And just a small windshield wiper. We're not going all the way down. We're just adding a little bit of motion to our otherwise stillness. Now if you want a little space here on your back, you can remove that a little bit. Remove that, see? You can put your hands. Now bring your back down so you can. A little pelvic tilt here. See how that feels now. Again, fingers towards your heels, then relax your shoulder down. Make sure you're not staying stiff like that. Oh, nice. Little figure four. So bring one leg down, foot comes up this way. Now you're not gonna bring it as high as it hurts. You're gonna bring it as high as it's comfortable. You can leave it like that, and that is fine. Maybe your foot is next to your leg, and that is fine too. You use your version. You pick the one that feels right for you. Now very slowly, and pay attention to your hip. You don't want to mess it up. Bring the knee up just a little bit. Just see how it feels. Like it's fine, okay. Maybe come up a little bit. Nice opening here. If this feels like really nice, everything's fine, maybe just thread your hands around the thigh. Then I use my arm here just to gently guide the leg away for a nice little hip relaxation here, nice little hip opener. Maybe, yeah, we're not doing anything, so maybe like just moving our ankles and wiggling our toes. Yeah, why not? Little combo. Exhale the foot down. Let the little space come back here. Just a little rotate back and forth. If you want, you can go all the way down if your shoulder is able to stay on the mat. If not, only go until your shoulder can remain there, of the same side here. Well, just a little bit here, loosening things. And let's get back down. Just make your supporting leg flat. It's gonna be like the summer. You take your pillow and you flip it, and then you flip it, and then it's got a little cooler on one side. Other side. So maybe your foot is like this. So whatever is comfortable for you. Very slow. This side is different. So you don't know if it's gonna go easier or worse depending what's going on there at the moment. Now you've got your little space. Remove it and then decide if you want it or not. You're not sure? Just let your body go in whatever it wants by itself. Now here you can stay just like that. You can bring your leg up, nice little guiding a little bit my leg away, only if it feels good in the hip. I don't want to pop that out to something wrong here. And maybe going a little bit until the foot, I'm too close to the wall. The foot hits the ground, your hands, you don't want them there, just relax. Oh yeah, so whatever, find where you are comfortable, just move that way. Oh, this feels like a massage on the lower back to me right now. So I don't know how you feel right now, what it makes you feel. Let me know in the comment if you remember after you see the video. And on an exhale, foot down. Make your leg flat. Of course, if you're very flexible, your leg can just jump over. So those are different options you can take. Oh, we never did our ankle. We need to do our ankle. Let's get back up a little bit. Okay, the arms can come back. Oh, that was nice, huh? Nice little extra here. Yeah, and wiggle the toes. Yeah. Slow, slow, slow. Or jump if it's easy for you. I keep sliding forward. I keep sliding forward. Now, on the knee nail, bring your toe up and towards you and feel the nice stretch in the calf here. Maybe you want to do just one leg at a time or both. Just hold for a few seconds. Keep breathing. Exhale them down. Knee touch the ground. One more time. Inhale, foot up. Feel the nice stretch in the calf. If you're wearing high heels, you want to do that standing up in the stairs with your ball of your foot on the first step there and holding on to the ramp. And not in your high heel, barefoot. Exhale. Don't actually have a video. I do it in it too, so you can find that. Oh my goodness. Let's bring our heel real close to our bum. Turn our knee until it touches the floor. Hold our shoulder, our hand. Now I'm scooting my bum back. Take your time, and then if your head's spinning, come right back down. You're right there anyway, right? Oh, come back slow, slow. Maybe you want to sit back on your blanket. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, add a little height here. Add a little height, be comfortable. Now this is one option. You can leave your legs like that, or you can go in butterfly with your feet, the sole of your feet touching. Now I'm on the little blanket. Maybe it shouldn't be there, but the blanket can actually be rolled up under your hip, or one of your hip if you have your shoe on one side. So you've got choices of what you can do here. Now I'm gonna nail my spine straight, and I'm holding into my ankle. Just bring it straight. Maybe your legs are like that, you're like this. That's fine. You're moving, it's great. Inhale, tall, breathe, just breathe, and on an exhale, round your back. Look at your heels. Oh, maybe look at wherever you happen, look down, wherever it happened to go. Now I'm taking my arm and I'm guiding my legs open. If you exhale at the same time, it adds a little help. Inhale, on an inhale, back straight forward. Exhale, look down. Neck is relaxed. Inhale, and when you exhale, that's when you guide your knee towards the mat. You don't want to force them there. And you can hold that a little bit. Just relax here. Maybe looking around. Little motion, coming back up. Ooh. Now butterfly is gonna fly. So the hands are coming maybe to your side, maybe to your back, whichever. Try both ways with fingers pointed at me or pointed back. And let's do your butterfly here. Ooh, butterfly. Oh, now maybe the hands wants to come up. Exhale forward and maybe just gentle movement. Side to side. Back is rounded. Neck is wherever it's relaxed. Wherever it's relaxed, you don't have to flap the wings if it's too much at the same time, but just relax here. And let's take a final seat together. So whatever you're comfortable sitting, maybe reversing your legs, whichever foot was up front and up in the back. So thank you for joining me. I am Anne-Marie, the yoga storyteller with That's Life Yoga, encouraging you to continue your journey with one of my Stretch and Smile video. So once, twice, 3 times. Most of them are like 10-15 minutes long, so make it the length that you want. Have a wonderful rest of the day and namaste.